Welcome, fellow travelers, to Santiago de Compostela, a city that whispers tales of ancient pilgrims and echoes with spiritual resonance. Nestled in the lush green heart of Galicia, Spain, this UNESCO World Heritage Site stands as the grand finale of the famed Camino de Santiago pilgrimage, drawing wanderers from every corner of the globe. Prepare to be mesmerized as we ascend into the sky, embarking on an aerial odyssey that unveils the enchanting beauty and rich tapestry of this historic city from a truly unique perspective. Our pilgrimage through Santiago begins with its very heart, the magnificent Cathedral of Santiago de Compostela. This awe-inspiring structure stands as a timeless testament to faith and architectural brilliance, built over the sacred tomb of St. James the Apostle. For over a millennium, it has beckoned countless pilgrims to its doors. Soaring above the city's skyline, the cathedral's intricate Baroque facade tells stories of devotion and artistry, while its towering spires reach for the heavens. Step into the expansive embrace of the Praza do Obradoiro, the grand square that serves as the cathedral's welcoming front yard. This iconic space marks the triumphant culmination of the Camino de Santiago, where pilgrims, weary yet exhilarated, finally complete their sacred journey. Encircled by architectural marvels, the square boasts the regal presence of the Hostal dos Reis Católicos, one of the oldest hotels in the world, once a haven for pilgrims, and the stately Pazo de Roxoi, now the City Hall, each adding to the square's unique charm and historical significance. As our aerial perspective shifts slightly eastward from the Praza do Obradoiro, the majestic Hostal dos Reis Católicos comes into full view. Originally conceived and built as a royal hospital, its primary mission was to provide comfort and care to the throngs of pilgrims arriving in Santiago. Today, it has been transformed into a luxurious five-star hotel, offering a unique experience to its guests. The building is a stunning showcase of the Plateresque style, an artistic fusion that harmoniously blends Gothic, Renaissance, and Moorish influences, making it an architectural gem of unparalleled beauty. Now, let's plunge into the vibrant heart of local life at the Mercado de Abastos, Santiago's bustling and colorful food market. This sensory delight is a feast for the eyes and the palate, offering an abundant array of Galician delicacies that capture the essence of the region's culinary traditions. From the freshest seafood sourced directly from the Atlantic, to artisanal cheeses crafted with time-honored techniques, to mouth-watering empanadas and exquisite local wines, the market is a treasure trove of flavors. Engage with the passionate vendors, sample the unique regional specialties, and immerse yourself in the gastronomic soul of Santiago. Escape the energetic pulse of the city and find solace in the Parque de Alameda, a verdant oasis that invites you to unwind and reconnect with nature. As you wander through the park's meandering pathways, you'll be treated to breathtaking panoramic vistas of the cathedral and the historic old town, offering picture-perfect moments at every turn. Admire the elegant statues and enchanting fountains that dot the landscape, and find serenity beneath the generous canopy of ancient trees, making this park the ideal haven to relax, recharge, and bask in the tranquil beauty of Santiago. Prepare to be captivated by the sheer magnificence of the San Martino Pinario Monastery, one of the largest monasteries in all of Galicia. With a history that traces back to the Middle Ages, this architectural marvel stands as a testament to centuries of religious devotion and artistic innovation. Step inside to explore its captivating courtyards, richly adorned chapels, and fascinating museums, each offering a glimpse into Santiago's profound religious heritage and illuminating the spiritual journey that has shaped the city's identity. Embark on a brief journey just outside the vibrant city center, and you'll discover the hidden treasure of the Colleziata de Santa Maria do Sar, an exquisite example of Romanesque architecture that exudes a sense of timeless charm. Be mesmerized by the church's leaning columns, a unique architectural feature that adds to its allure, and appreciate the tranquil ambience of its riverside setting along the River Sar. This peaceful sanctuary provides a welcome escape from the bustling city, allowing you to immerse yourself in the serene beauty and historical significance of Santiago's medieval past. Experience the captivating contrast between tradition and innovation at the Galician Center of Contemporary Art, a striking architectural masterpiece conceived by the esteemed architect Álvaro Siza Vieira. Delve into the museum's diverse exhibitions, where you'll encounter thought-provoking works of contemporary art created by talented artists from Galicia and around the globe. The museum's sleek and modern design harmoniously interacts with the historical surroundings, creating a seamless fusion of the past and the present, and offering a unique cultural experience. Prepare for a breathtaking ascent to Monte Pedroso, the highest point gracing Santiago de Compostela, where unparalleled panoramic vistas await your gaze. From this unrivaled vantage point, you'll be treated to a sweeping panorama that encompasses the cathedral's majestic spires, the labyrinthine streets of the ancient old town, and the verdant expanse of the surrounding Galician countryside. This is the ultimate locale to gain a sense of orientation, truly appreciating the city's layout and soaking in its captivating beauty from a remarkable perspective. Embark on a captivating journey to the Cidade da Cultura de Galicia, an awe-inspiring architectural ensemble meticulously designed by the visionary Peter Eisenman. This cultural hub, perched high upon Mount Gaiás, is a treasure trove of artistic and intellectual wonders, encompassing museums that ignite curiosity, libraries that unlock knowledge, and performance spaces that resonate with creativity. Its unparalleled design and elevated setting combine to offer breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape, particularly during the magical hours of sunset, creating an unforgettable visual experience. And so, our mesmerizing aerial expedition through the captivating city of Santiago de Compostela draws to a close. We sincerely hope that you have reveled in this extraordinary perspective, exploring a city that is not only steeped in history and spirituality, but also brimming with vibrant culture and captivating beauty. Whether you are a devoted pilgrim in search of spiritual fulfillment, or an intrepid traveler yearning for unforgettable adventures, Santiago de Compostela is certain to leave an indelible mark on your heart. Until our paths cross again, we wish you happy and enriching travels on all your future journeys.